G'day folks, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the accessory kit for the Smatree PowerStick. If you're not quite sure what this PowerStick is, basically it's a battery handle for your Osmo Pocket. Essentially it's a power bank handle and it keeps your Osmo Pocket charged up and it gives you a little bit of an extension. I recently reviewed the PowerStick and in the description of the video I mentioned that there was an accessory kit for it, however being in Canada it wasn't available yet. I finally got my hands on the accessory kit and I tell you it takes this PowerStick to a whole different level. So let's just jump right in and take a look. So if you recall, I did a review a week or a couple weeks ago of the PowerStick, and it's actually quite a good little product, and I do highly recommend it. And like I said at the intro, it basically is just a power bank for your Osmo Pocket. Gives you a bit of an extension and keeps it charged up. There's a USB port inside that connects to the Osmo Pocket. There was an accessory kit available for it, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get it into Canada for that review, but I did finally get my hands on one. Basically, the accessory kit allows you to use your phone in conjunction with the PowerStick. Now, it was brought up down in the comments by a viewer that it actually contains a quarter 20 mount, so you can use it with a standard GoPro. I wasn't aware of that, so that makes this even more interesting. So let's just open it up and we'll check out all the parts that come inside, and then we'll test everything out. So inside the box here we have a user manual. Gives us some information about how to use the accessories that come in the box. We have a short, looks to be about a 6-inch USB cable on both ends. We have a quarter 20 mount, and this is the part that I was not aware that came in the package, so we're going to definitely take a look at that. We have a smartphone mount, and it seems to be a nice quality one. It's all made of aluminum. And we've got the Osmo Pocket bracket. So let's go ahead and get this thing put together. Using the handle as is, you just slide the Osmo Pocket in. But if you want to use it in conjunction with the Mimo app and your smartphone, that's where you would use these parts. So we're going to take the top Osmo Pocket mount off, and basically we just twist this top piece, and that will come right off. We then take the quarter 20 mount, just slides in the top there like that, and then again we're going to twist it to tighten it back in. So now at this point, you can see we have a quarter 20 on there, so we could put a GoPro tripod mount on there and mount our GoPro or Osmo Action. And that's actually what I'm most excited about, but we will put the Osmo Pocket holder together first for those that want to take a look at it. So we're going to place this mount over the quarter 20 there, and then put on the cell phone mount. And then we just have to twist it all in together as one unit. And as you can see now, we have a smartphone mount, and to loosen it, you just dial this screw here at the top. We then place our Osmo Pocket in, and we just have to line it up to the lightning port or USB port depending on what kind of phone you're using. Once it's in, then you can tighten up the knob at the top. We then take our USB cable, plug it into the bottom of the Osmo Pocket, and then into the USB port on the side of the handle. Now, one nice benefit of this handle is that you can have it on or off. Right now the Osmo Pocket isn't charging. As soon as we press the button there on the side, you're going to see that it's going to go ahead and start charging. So this is kind of a nice functional handle for your Osmo Pocket. You always need a handle when you're using it in this kind of configuration. You've got the mount at the side here to hold it securely to the phone, and you've got a nice little power supply to keep it powered up for long periods of time. But now let's take a look at using it with something like an Osmo Action or a GoPro. Now what I really like about this handle, some of you may be familiar with this product. This is the Feiyutech power handle. I have featured it in many of my videos over the last year. Originally this thing is designed by Feiyutech to plug into the bottom of their gimbals, and then you can plug it in and give your gimbal extra power. But it works great as a handle, a power handle. You just put a GoPro mount on the top, and you can mount your GoPro on it, plug it in, and give yourself some extra power without having to swap out your batteries all the time. It's a great little product, but there are some problems with it. First off, it's very hard to come by. I do believe Feiyutech has discontinued it. The other issues with it is that it is micro USB, which isn't a problem, but for people who like to keep everything USB-C, you know, that can kind of be a pain. You got to bring another cable along with you to keep this thing powered up. And it's only 3,000 milliamps, so you are kind of limited. But it's a great little handle to throw in your camera bag because essentially it's just a power bank, so you could even recharge your phone from it. So that's where this is really nice. Essentially it's the same thing. There are a couple drawbacks to it as well. It is a little bit larger, but for some people they'll like that. It's got a bigger battery in it. It's 5,000 milliamps, so you can do a lot more charging with it. It has a USB-C port on it for recharging the handle itself and for charging the devices that you have mounted on it. The only downside to it is that it does not have the USB-A port. So if you're going to be using this to charge different devices, you have to make sure you have a USB cable to whatever you're going to be charging. And that can be kind of a hindrance because if you do have to top off something like your iPhone, you have to make sure you have a USB-C to Lightning cable. Now, if you do want to use it with something like a GoPro or an Osmo Action, you do have to get one of these tripod mounts. You can get these on Amazon fairly cheap, and most likely you already have some kicking around. These things are often included with different extension poles and different things like that to make them compatible with many different products. So you just attach it just like that. Now, before you attach your GoPro or your Osmo Action, both are similar in this fashion. You have to remove it. We're going to want to remove the side door. We'll insert it back into the frame. And the reason we remove the side door is that leaves our charging port open. You can see in this cutout there, the USB-C port is now accessible. We'll just mount it in the GoPro mount like that. And for some reason I grabbed this tiny little thumb screw and it's kind of hard to get in, but it'll work for this demonstration. So there we go. You can see now we've got it mounted. So again, we'll take the USB-C cable that came with the package, plug it into the USB-C port there, and then into the Osmo Action. And again, it's not going to start charging right away because you do have to power the handle on first. So when you do see your Osmo Action getting a little bit low on power, you just press the power button there. And you can see the Osmo Action is now charging. And it is safe to use while you're recording. If you're recording with your GoPro or your Osmo Action, you can charge it while you are recording. So yeah, this is definitely a handy product. Even if you don't own an Osmo Pocket, you just have a GoPro or an Osmo Action, definitely worthwhile to pick up this battery handle and the accessory kit just for using in this configuration. Even if you're not using it to mount a GoPro or an Osmo Action on that day, just throwing it in your camera bag, you've got a 5,000 milliamp power bank to charge up any device that you need. I'll include the links down below in the description to both the handle and the accessory kit. I want to thank the viewer who pointed that out to me, that it did include a 1/4-20 mount. I can't think of your name offhand, but thank you very much. You know who you are. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hopefully you found it informative. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.